So the Cooperative Extension Service is the branch of the land-grant university system. In our case here in Kentucky, it's University of Kentucky and Kentucky State University are So I guess my first experience with extension was 4-H whenever I was when I was just a kid. Horticulture was just an interest of mine. My first job was working for a florist as the delivery guy in high school, but soils and plants and trees and everything related to that, insects, all of that struck an interest with me. So horticulture was the area. I ultimately picked extension as an option and haven't regretted that. It's given you a lot of opportunities to expand into areas that you may not initially be thinking of. So while I've been in extension, I've been able to become a certified arborist. I was able to get my master's in entomology. I've learned a lot about video production because that's kind of a big push with extension right now, is to get more stuff up on YouTube and showing how-to type videos that I probably would not have experienced that otherwise. And now we're trying to start in with podcasting and learning on how to utilize that media, all of these types of new medias just to reach the public.